Hello friends, this is Vidhika from iExamB, and today in this video we are going to see about RBI Grade B Legal Officer exam. We will look at the job profile, the exam pattern, salary and various aspects of this exam. So first of all, beginning with the job profile of RBI Grade B Legal Officer, what is expected of a legal officer in RBI Grade B job? The first thing that is expected from a legal officer that is mentioned in the job profile is dealing with references on legal issues received from various departments of banks or other financial institutions which relate to interpretation of various statutes such as RBI Act, Banking Regulation Act, FEMA, Companies Act, etc. The next is preparing initial drafts of legislation to be administered by the banks, preparation of drafts of pleadings and comprehensive instruction in connection with litigation involving bank and associate institutions. And the next one is appearing before conciliation officers, labor courts, tribunals, etc. on behalf of the bank. So these are all expected from a legal officer. Moving on to salary and perks which you can receive when being appointed as RBI Grade B legal officer. Yes, you read it correct. The monthly gross emoluments equals to about 83,202 rupees. There are various allowances which are present along with the salary. The base salary is about rupees 35,150. In addition to that, you will get dearness allowance, local compensatory allowance, house rent allowance, special allowance, grade allowance, leave fare concession, interest-free festival advance, petrol, cleaning, newspaper, mobile bill reimbursement, book grant, bag purchase, business development allowance, so on and so forth. So a lot of facilities are available in this job. If you look at the career growth and the promotional avenue, on clearing this exam, you will be appointed as an RBI Grade B legal officer, which is a manager level post, and after that, at Grade C, you may become Assistant General Manager, then Deputy General Manager as Grade D, General Manager as Grade E, and CGM, Chief General Manager or Regional Director as a Grade F. So you have a huge career prospect, a huge promotional avenue available in this post. What is the eligibility criteria for RBI Grade B legal officer exam? The eligible age is from 21 to 32 years, and this age is relaxable by 3 years in case you possess an LLM degree and 5 years in case you possess a degree of PhD in law. And what is the minimum qualification that is required? That is a bachelor degree in law, that is LLB, with a minimum of 50% marks for general category and 45% marks for SC, ST and PWBD. Is there any experience required? Yes, a minimum experience of 2 years is required. And in what domains this experience should be? You can be an advocate, legal consultant, legal assistant, associate in an advocate's or solicitor's office or law firm after being enrolled with the Bar Council. You can act as a law officer in the legal department of a large bank, financial institution, statutory corporation, company, state, central government, or you can be a full-time teacher in a law college or university teaching law. So all these are the relevant experiences in order to apply for this post. Moving on, the scheme of the exam, there is one written exam followed by interview. In the written exam, you have two papers. Paper 1 is general knowledge of law, which is divided into two parts, objective and descriptive, and paper 2 is English descriptive type. Discussing the scheme of the exam in detail, in the paper 1, you have two papers as we have discussed. Objective part A, which talks about general knowledge of law, in which there will be 15 questions of 30 marks. And after that, there will be descriptive part B, which will have 4 questions of 120 marks and the total duration is 3 hours. Similarly, there is paper 2 which is English, and there are 4 questions: essay, précis writing, comprehension and report drafting or letter drafting. So these are the number of questions in the descriptive English. These are of 100 marks and the total duration is again 3 hours. Few important things that you can notice over here are paper 1 part A, that is your objective paper, will have 4 answer options and there will be no penalty, so there is no negative marking for wrong answer. Also, question paper 1 general knowledge of law will be set in Hindi and English. Answers may be written either in Hindi or in English. So these answers can be written in Hindi or English. That means the answers have to be written on the sheet and they have to be submitted there. That is why this exam has been told to be conducted both in online and offline modes. That means you will have your part A online, the objective paper will be online, and after that the descriptive paper will be offline. You will write down the answers on the sheet, submit the sheet, and in the afternoon you'll have your English descriptive, which again will be online. At iExamB, we have tried to provide you with the actual exam experience. We have tried to give you the best possible way by which you can attempt the exam in a similar way you are going to attempt the final exam. If you access the RBI Grade B Legal demo course, the link for that demo course is already present in the description box. You can click on that link. Here you can see that the course is divided into 4 parts: Introduction and Strategy, Phase 1, Live Class Recordings and Tests. In phase 1, there are 2 parts, legal and descriptive English, as it appears in your written exam. And when you attempt the test, that is where you will see how iExamB has tried to give you the actual exam experience. If you attempt one of the mock tests, you will see that first of all there will be 15 questions which will be objective. Once you have attempted all these 15 questions from the objective section, you submit the test. After submitting the test, the descriptive paper will appear on the screen, in which you will see all the descriptive questions. Once you have written all the answers on the sheet, you will click here on the submit test button and a pop-up will appear which will ask you to upload your answer sheet. So what you have to do is you have to scan your answer sheet. You will upload your answer sheet over here, and at the end you will submit your test. Once you have attempted the entire mock test and submitted the answer sheet, the concerned faculties will get your answer sheets. They will evaluate your answer sheets. We provide a comprehensive detailed evaluation of the answer sheets. We mark your questions based on how you have attempted it. We provide you with feedback where what was wrong, what was right, and based on that we provide you with marks on that question and marks on your entire paper. What you can see on the screen is a sample page of one of the answer sheets that we have evaluated in RBI Grade B Legal mock test. And this is how we proceed with the evaluation of the descriptive section of the RBI Grade B Legal Officer exam. You submit your answer sheets, you upload the scan sheets, and we evaluate it on a comprehensive basis. We provide you with feedbacks, we provide you with model answers, we provide you with what case laws should have been mentioned, what should not have been mentioned, what was irrelevant and what was relevant. In order to have a look at RBI Grade B Legal online course, you can visit the demo course. The link for that demo course is present in the description below. In the course, we provide you with video lessons for various topics, practice questions, study notes, study plan. There are 5 practice tests for paper 1 and 5 practice tests for paper 2, which can be added as and when required. 5 mock tests are there for descriptive English, and as we have discussed, we have mock tests for descriptive legal as well. And at the end, we provide you with interview guidance after you have cleared your written exam. What kind of questions can come in interview? We give you an all-round preparation of various aspects of the interview. So this is what we offer in RBI Grade B Legal online course. Do visit the course once to look at all the important features. Now coming to the syllabus of the paper 1, that is general knowledge of law. The important topics are constitutional law, administrative law, principles of statutory interpretation, law of evidence, Contract Act, Transfer of Property Act, Negotiable Instruments Act, Registration Act, Code of Civil Procedure, legal drafting. In addition to that, based on the previous year sample papers, we can see IPC is also important. Some of the banking laws are also important, like Banking Regulation Act, RBI Act, which are not mentioned here in the syllabus. But again, since the syllabus is only indicative, you need to have a complete comprehensive preparation for this exam. If you look at the previous year cutoffs, in the prelims, the cutoff was about 159 marks for general out of 250, that is 150 for your general knowledge of law and 100 marks for your descriptive English. Out of that, the written exam had a cutoff of 159 and the aggregate cutoff in written exam and interview out of 290 marks was 202. That means out of 250 marks, the cutoff was 159 and out of 290 marks, cutoff was 202. This implies that the interview will be of 40 marks. Moving further with the cutoffs, in 2018, the cutoff of written exam was 149 out of 250, and when interview was conducted, the aggregate cutoff of both the written and the interview was 188 out of 290. In 2017, this cutoff was 173 for written exam and 212 for written plus interview. If you look at comparative analysis, these were the cutoff of written exam for the 3 years and written exam plus interview, the entire total cutoff was this. Of course, to know more about RBI Grade B legal officer exam or any other law officer exam, you can contact us on the number which is mentioned on the screen. You can call, WhatsApp or SMS. In the description box, you will also find the link to our Telegram channel. Do join the channel to get all the updated information relating to law officer, legal officer exams, and subscribe to our Exambee channel for all updated relevant information. Click on the bell icon. Thank you.